As a beginner, it's important to have success right from the beginning when wet felting. And my top pick for anybody who would like to start this fascinating process is to work with sheep's wool. Now, I believe it's important to start using commercially prepared wool. Do not try and felt fleece straight from the sheep's back. Rather, use wool that has been prepared in a woolen mill. It's been cleaned and it's been carded. It has been treated gently, so it will not have started to shrink. And this will be the easiest for you to actually begin your wet felting journey. You can also work with fibers such as alpaca or llama. That's pretty competitively priced, but I would not recommend that you use cashmere or yak until you have some experience because they are very much a luxury fiber and will be extremely expensive. And trust me, when you start felting, it does take a little bit of getting used to the process before you create felt that I would consider to be professionally finished. So start with wool. Merino is a great wool to start with. Start with wool, have some success, and then start experimenting with different varieties of wool or wool from different types of sheep. And then maybe try mohair, alpaca, llama before moving on to more expensive fiber such as yak or cashmere. Have fun. Discover how the fiber feels under your fingertips and how it shrinks. And with experience, you are going to enjoy working with lots of different types of fiber.